Ladies and gentlemen, you see it. Now, I was not expecting this today, especially this number 9579, folks. I was not expecting this today or this amount today. I thought I was getting a sale like $12.51 or $13.73. No, 95.79, folks. My Legion secret is legit because I sent out an email 2 days ago, yesterday, and it was from Social Page, and I was not expecting this today. So let's go to reporting here. So, and let's go to today. So today, 129 hops, 32 hop for order form impressions, all order form impressions, 4 initial order form impressions, 1 initial sale, which is $20.38. Wow. And I got an upsell, which is really 2 sales in one, which was $75.41, which came out to two sales, and the gross sale amount is $95.79, and the net sales count is 2. Folks, get with it. Get on my Legion secret. All I did was send out an email and got this amount of money. Now, the leads I have is, or let me go to my Legion secret book. Okay, so we in my Legion secret right now. So the email I sent out yesterday was this one, was his join our team. So 122 clicks, 122 clicks, and then the one before that is 138. Folks, my Legion secret, I sent these 2 emails right here on the 14th and 13th. Today's the 15th. Folks, I sent out 2 emails not back to back, but 2 different emails of the same product promoting on Clickbank with 122 clicks, 138 clicks, with 88,000 leads and 7,800 leads. My lead secret is legit. Try it. You'll make money just like how I did today. I was not expecting that today. Let's go back. Let's refresh. Refresh again. See, it's all legit here. That is crazy. I'm speechless right now because I was not expecting this amount today, or just anything, period. This amount, period. So subscribe today. Link will be in the description for Clickbank and My Legion secret. If you want to join, that's fine. And subscribe for more content. Wow, I'm speechless.